Hello, everyone from Madrid. We are very happy to have Professor Jorg Distler with us. Could you please give us new updates regarding the treatment targets in scleroderma? Which are the new targets which could be part of the future treatment?
Okay, so that's a very difficult and probably very subjective question. So I will answer with my personal highlights that I consider as being very translationable, but obviously different people may have different opinions here. So what I think could be quite easily transferred from bench to bedside are, for example, JAK inhibitors, because JAK kinase inhibitors are well approved for the treatment of many different diseases, including rheumatoid arthritis. And actually, there's very good preclinical evidence that, in particular, JAK2 may be an important target for fibroblast activation. In addition, the other family members of the JAK kinases are crucial regulators of inflammation. So this may be actually a way to inhibit inflammation and fibroblast activation at the same time. It's just one molecule and one target. So that's certainly something that could be transferred. On the other hand, I think there are exciting downstream mediators within this pathway. So, for example, STAT is one of my favorites, in part because I worked on that, but also because I think it's a very interesting pathway that actually is downstream of many important signaling cascades. So again, it offers potential to target many relevant pathways at the same time, many relevant processes. Another area that I consider as very interesting are, for example, nuclear receptors. Despite the, I would say, disappointment with the PPA gamma inhibition, I think those group of molecules and targets is not dead yet. So these are just a few, and I think you can continue with this list forever, but those are certainly interesting ones for me. Another area that I would like to briefly touch on are epigenetic molecules. So we have always the question why the disease remains active even if there's no overt inflammation, why fibroblasts maintain their activated phenotype even in culture, and epigenetic targets, and there are different ones, BRD inhibitors, DNA methyltransferase inhibitors, HDAC inhibitors, are certainly an interesting area to invest in the future.
So thank you very much for giving us your opinion on this, and there is room for more and more research and treatment trials in scleroderma. Thank you very much.